Hey guys, today we have Sheba, but we also have Gracie, and then we also have Lucy, and Fat Bastard, Dolly. Okay, we are ready to do an unboxing. I've had this package for a while, and I've been saving it. I got all this for free. This dude at Kladis3Dstudios, he is an Etsy manufacturer. He does 3D printed fidgets, and he reached out to me and he's like, bro, do you want to review any of my stuff? And I was like, yes. And he said, okay, pick out some stuff. And so I did. And he sent it. So I'm going to show you what I asked to be sent, and then we'll check out what he actually sent. All right. I said I'd like to see this. So some kind of a circular haptic coin. 4-click. It's a fidget rod. Damn, that $44. That's crazy. Then we've got these fidget sticks. And then here's a slider. And a loud, snappy 3-click slider. These seem to be really good sellers on his site right here. These. Why are black cats always looking so freaky? Look at her. But she's not freaky. I haven't annoyed her enough yet today, so she still likes me. Okay. Unboxing. Okay. I'm excited because I haven't unboxed some 3D printed stuff in a while, and I love me some 3D printed stuff. Oh my god, I almost died. If I die while filming, how is anybody gonna post it? Ooh, Sheba's interested. Tiny basket. Okay, let's pull everything out. Okay, I think I got everything. Yeah. All of this packing material. Alright, Sheba. Alright, let's take a look. Let's read the note first, shall we? Sheba, are you paying attention? Kladis3Dstudios. Hey Melanie, I wanted to share a little backstory on us. Ooh, I like it. My wife and I live in Salina, Texas, North Dallas, with our 2 kids, 3 cats, and 1 dog. All of our fidgets are 3D resin printed. Oh, they are resin. We only use high quality materials, including the strongest neodymium, I think that's how you pronounce it, magnets. Hope you enjoy the fidgets. Our fidgets can be found on Etsy, Instagram, and YouTube under Kladis3Dstudio. If you end up showing any of the fidgets on your YouTube channel, I have included a promo code for your viewers, EDCFidget20. What? Thank you for taking your time to give us a try. Anthony Kladis. Sheba does love me. I knew it. I knew she would love me. Oh, Sheba. She's purring. Okay. There's a lot in here. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we've got 3 here. And then we've got another package. Oh, there's those orange ones. Oh, and there's that circular one. Oh my god. Okay, so we've got 6 here. Spasibo. I want to do this circular one first. Oh, he really taped it up, didn't he? Damn. God damn. At least it's satisfying because I'm popping bubbles at the same time. So these are resin. I really thought these were 3D printed. Now, contrary to popular belief, 3D printed and resin are very different. Whoa. Hold on. Don't worry, I am going to turn the camera around. Looks like a sandwich. Like a bagel. Okay. So one side has some kind of a slide tape on there and the other side does not. I love this color. Ooh, and it's like see-through. Quite nice. Quite nice, actually. So it's like got that clicky feel. Oh, it's like a regular slider, but just circular. Wow, I actually really like it a lot. Damn. It's got that clicky feel to it. You can hear it really well because, oh shit. Bro, okay, look at this. You can actually see the magnets moving around, causing that sound. They're jumping, they're literally jumping. Bro, that is fucking awesome. I like it. I'd say the only thing is a little bit, I wish it was like, I mean, it's pretty smooth. I'm not a fan of like the matte texture because it feels a little like chalkboard, but other than that, I could get over it because I really like the concave design. It's like a bagel. And then also it's hollow, so you've got these like ridges in here to really grip. Very, very, very impressed, actually. Okay. I want to look at these. Ooh, this is strong. Look at my fucking knife, bro. My knife, bro. Shit. Ooh. Oh, okay. Sorry. So here's one piece. Ooh. Okay, they have the same texture. Oh, I wonder, they're the same on both ends. I wonder if you can get more and stack them. Okay. This seems like one of those things I'm gonna have to learn how to play with. It's very sharp right here. This part right there, it's sharp. Magnets are very strong. All right, I'm gonna come back to this one. All right, what is this? Is that fidget rod or something? Oh. This thing was listed at like $44. Oh, I like the way that he protects it in shipping though. Okay, so one side has slide tape and the other side does not. This is similar to haptic EDC, I think. I actually got a haptic EDC thing right here. One side slide tape, one side not. And then I also have very, very similar to Rapid EDC. Insides. Okay. He was not kidding about the magnets though. This shit is strong. Ooh, shit. you've got to flip it around like that. I end up going too far. Shape seems a little bit awkward. So, may not be good for laddering. It may just be good for... I mean, it does have the 4x2. It does have the 4 or the 5 set up. So you theoretically could ladder. You go over one. No. Can't really ladder it. But you go up. Alright. Let's continue on. Ooh, this one comes with slide tape. I like the packaging here. This one does not have slide tape. I guess that's the reason why they put this here. Oh yeah, it definitely needs it. So, ooh, this shit is really thick. So I just have to cut around it. I gotta cut it to size. So, scissors. Okay. I actually could probably cut it. Oh yeah, I could probably cut it a little bit closer because I don't think that the magnets go all the way to the end. Ooh, this stuff really is sticky. All right, come on, come on, come on. I know I'm taking too long with this bullshit. I like the fact that he adds slide tape, though. It's annoying sometimes when you get a fidget. It doesn't come with everything that you're going to need, you know? All right, well, let's see. That seems good enough. Okay, so much better with the slide tape, but it's not heavy enough. It doesn't really ladder. It's got that same clickiness to it, which is really good. Yeah. I like the feel of it. This part right here feels really nice. So this is a 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3. It doesn't go any higher than that. So you could actually bring it around, but it's not going to do it organically. Will it? It gets caught every once in a while. This is actually a lot better than some of the ones that I've seen out there. So it's pretty good. Let's see what else we got here. I've got 2 more. Here's another one. This one did not. Ooh. You've got like a sparkly inlay here. And then you've got like this carbon fiber. So I see it's about the same size. This one's a little bit longer. Oh, I like the feel of this one. This one works a lot better than the other one. Magnets are pretty strong too. Okay, let me see this last one. This last one, and then I'm gonna turn the camera around and tell you guys my final impressions. Ugh. Oh, this one's nice. I like it. Oh shit. Look, it's got his name imprinted on the side. Very cool. All right, this one's got the same thing, the carbon fiber. And this, like, is it the same thing but just in white? No. This one is smoother. I was gonna say the only qualm I have with this one is that it's kind of hard. This one is really smooth. Okay, so let's see here. Magnets are not as strong. Yeah, they're not as strong. I wonder why he would use varying magnet strength. Interesting. Okay, let me turn the camera around. All right, let me look at these things again. Okay, so the circle one was a limited edition color. It's a fidget coin clicky sound, $25. Then we've got the fidget rod, $44, 4 clicks, clicky and snappy fidget slider haptic feel. And then we've got fidget sticks, doubled N52 magnets strong. Then we have the fidget slider hybrid magnet setup, $35. Yeah, that was $25, that was $44. Then we've got that black slider, which was $45, loud, snappy, 3-click haptic. And then we've got that white one, which is $25, and it just says black fidget. I feel like I can use Sheba's butt as like the backdrop of this video. So EDC Fidget 20. So I'm guessing that's the 20% off code. Kladis3Dstudios. Okay. So let's go back through and get a closer look at all of these bad boys. Okay, so the first one that I looked at was this bad boy. Oh shit. This thing I think might be my favorite. Look at it. Also, there's nothing else like this out there. Incredibly strong magnets. I love the fact that you can actually see the magnets jumping around in there. You see them? That's crazy. I didn't realize they moved that far. Holy shit. Look at that. I love the color. I love the feel of it. This thing is a winner. I love it. It's gonna be like a favorite of mine. Okay, so this one is a for sure go. And then the second thing I looked at was this. Really like the color. So it's got some sharp edges on it. Are they meant to be there? I think they are, look. Or not? Maybe they're not meant to be so raised up because, oh no, well hold on. I don't know, but they hurt. They hurt. They hurt. Okay, so these are not attracting. This is. So these super strong magnets. This may be one I might have to play with a little bit to understand. I've seen a couple of like fidgets like this, where they're like fidget sticks, but I don't know how to play with them really. I feel like you might need to have more than 2 of them to understand. I don't know. I like the feel, except for this hard part right here. I just don't understand that. I'm gonna have to do a follow-up video on this one. So, okay. Then the next thing I opened up was this rod. And I like the feel of this one. Doesn't really have any hard parts. So this one's strange because it's got magnets that are very close to each other. And I've learned that when magnets are very close to each other, they don't operate exactly the way you want them to. So theoretically, this one could be like a regular slider, but what happens is if when the magnets are so close together, they hop. Do you see how close together they are? They'll hop from one side to the other. So if I want to try to ladder, would that one work? It'll skip over the other magnet and not do what I want it to do. So if you get this one, it's not going to operate like a regular slider. I think it's more of just a straight up and down kind of. I wonder if you could do anything else with it. Like, I do like, oh yeah, you can do other things with it. Oh, that's interesting. This is another one I might have to spend a little bit of time with. Oh shit. What the hell? I like this slide tape that's here. This feels very nice. And also, I do like how strong the magnets are. So the click is very nice. So I think you can actually do some interesting tricks with this one. You got to just learn how to do it because it doesn't operate like a normal slider. So actually this one's pretty neat. But like I said, don't go into this thinking that you're going to get a normal slider because you're not. It's the setup is different. But speaking of normal sliders, you've got these bad boys. So the other one that I was looking at was this one. It feels like a dragon scale kind of. I actually like the makeup of this one a little bit more because it feels very nice on the hands. And I also like the colors. It just feels really nice in your hand. And he put that slide tape in there. So this one has 4 magnets on each side. So this one will operate much more like you're used to. This one's got that clicky feel, which is really nice. So this one is kind of similar to some of the other 3D stuff out there. So it's not very heavy. So sometimes it kind of stops halfway, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. If you just bring your finger over, you can guide it. It's actually quite satisfying. I really like the feel of this, and like I said, I really like the sound. It's kind of like a cross between clicky and not clicky. Cause oh shit. Oh. So I like it. This one's very satisfying. I like the tactile feel of that. It just feels very nice overall. I like it. Okay. So then we have these two. Now these two seem very similar, but they're actually very different. This one is that loud, snappy one. They both have the same slide tape on the inside. See? But this one is much stronger magnets. Very strong magnets. Also, the outside's very coarse and it's thick. I guess these are the same thicknesses, but this is a much smoother outside. But it's not as strong. the magnets are like half strength on this one. This one, you got to really grind that down. But I'd say that the, whoops, the, I don't know, it just hurts a little bit. This part right here kind of hurts. Looks like he glued on this like inlay thing. It just rubs. So like when I'm bringing it down, it's rubbing this part of my hand. I mean, I like the feel of it, like usage wise, like magnetically it holds on and everything, and it sounds good. It just, there's a lot of hot spots. So I'd say if it was like smoothed down, I'd say if it felt like this guy, it would be a winner. If you can see, it looks like these were glued on, but on here, it's all one part. So going on to here, this is way more comfortable, but it feels like the magnets are a little less strong. So you've got these times when I'm over sliding it and it just kind of flipping around. So the magnets need to be stronger on these. Yeah. So I would say that I would recommend this slider because it's got interesting feel. It operates the way you want it to operate. Feels really nice in your hand. It's got interesting sound. And it's got a really nice color. So I would actually say this one is really nice. Now, he's got a bunch of other ones on his website that I did not select. I mean, I didn't want to ask for all of his sliders. And then I'll say this one, these two are just fucking awesome. But these guys, I'm not sure about this one. I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit. It's very interesting. I like the feel over here. I like the look of it. It's got some sharp parts right there. And then also, I'm not even sure how to play with it really. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna have to do a follow-up video for that one. So, and then there's this guy that is the fidget rod. Now, I like the feel of it. I like the look of it. It's very interesting. And I also really like the way that it feels. So I actually would say that I would recommend this guy too. Just don't go into it expecting this. This is going to ladder. This is going to do what you want it to do. But this is a completely different type of fidget, I'd say. This one you can do some interesting things with. Go up and down, up and down. But you can also do some new interesting tricks, you know? So, yeah. Yeah. So, I would very, very much recommend these, especially these two. This one's very interesting and new, so I actually think it's worth it if you're curious. But if you just had to buy two, I'd say buy these two. This one, if you're curious, it's very interesting, and I think that I'm gonna spend a lot of time learning how to do new tricks on this bad boy. It's executed well. And then these other ones, I'm not even sure how to play with this one, but I'm gonna try. And then I'd say, don't go for this guy. Anthony, I love the design, but you got to put some stronger magnets in here. It just doesn't really work too well. If you had stronger magnets in here, then it would be perfect. And then here, stronger magnets feels good, except it hurts really bad to play with it. So I would say put the innards of that guy in here, and then you'd have a winner. Or, you know, do like a different design on the outside, like this guy is nice, but just this hurts bad. So That's my honest opinion, but these feel really nice. I have to say, I'm impressed. I wasn't sure what to expect, and I gotta say that I like all the innovation, you know, especially, you know, these guys. This is awesome. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this out there. So really good job. And this good job with this one too, man. So let's do a little group shot. Shit. I might have to assemble it. Hold on. All right, there she be. There's the group shot. There she is. There they are. Now what about you? Look at all this shit on my desk. That's all the crap that I want to try to sell, maybe. Sheba? I've also got a little guy under here. I've got a guy up there. They're all over the place. Look at me. I'm trying to unpack, and I'm just got shit everywhere. Sheba! Sheba, let's have Sheba weigh in on these. Ooh, okay. What do you think of this one? She bit it. She bit it. So what does that mean? Okay. What about this one? Sheba? Sheba! Hey. She's not even interested. Oh, let's do one of these. Okay. Sheba? She's biting them. Hey, listen to me. Does bite mean good or bad? Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hey, Lucy. I wanted to tell them something else real quick. I've been playing with this guy, and I think this one is a decent one. Okay, yes, it's not as strong as some of the other ones, but that's okay. It's nice on the fingers, and it's a good mindless one. I mean, you don't want your fingers cramping all the time with something that's completely really hard to use. So I will say that this one is worth getting as well. The other one, it's kind of this one right here. It's just, it hurts. If it didn't have that part right there, it would be a really good one. Lucy? Lucy, what do you think? Oh, she likes it. Lucy. Okay, so yes, it's 25 bucks. I'd say this is a good budget version. It's not incredibly loud. It's easy to use. It's small, feels nice in the hand. It's a good everyday carry, I'd say. I just wanted to say that this has a lot of that clickiness to it. So just beware of that. But it's really good. It's really nice. So, alrighty.